Very good morning to all of you. I think all of you are very fine. Stay at home, stay blessed, and take care of yourself. Today we are going to start our classes through virtual mode. So in this days we are starting the chapter number 10, that is simple interest and compound interest, right? So today I am going to start from this lesson. Okay? So all of you please take out your notebook and write with me. Okay, if anything's doubt you are facing regarding this video, any problems you are facing, then my WhatsApp number is along with you, and WhatsApp number will be there in this moment, so you can ask me. Okay, then let's get a start of video, and I would like to request you to see the video till the end, then only you will understand what I'm going to tell you. Okay, so guys, today we are going to learn about simple interest and compound interest, right? That is chapter number 10. All of you please take out a note and note down it, okay? Whatever I am going to write, okay? And see, first of all, I am going to write here that is simple interest, right? Simple interest, okay? So, see now, what is simple interest we have to know. Okay, what is simple interest we have to know. So that simple interest definition, known definition. So about it I am telling that simple interest is the interest calculated on the principal which remains the same throughout the tenure. Okay, that means by this line we have told us that principal simple interest is the interest calculated on the same principal through the given period. Okay, that means suppose we gave 1000 rupees for the interest, and we will take this monthly or yearly this 5%. Okay, that means, so simple interest means what? SI is equal to simple interest. SI means what? On this principal, this 1000, and how many year or month we gave. Suppose we are giving this for 10 months, then the interest we will count only for this 10 months. Okay, so this is known as simple interest. So the definition you are looking in the screen, right? So this is defined as SI is equal to what? PRT by 100. Okay, this is this one. How we can find the simple interest? This one, SI is equal to PRT by 100, where P is equal to what? Principal amount, is it? So R means what? Rate of interest, and this T means what? Time for the given period. Okay, time for means how many year, for how many year we have taken this money, for how many days, for how many month, etc, etc. Okay, so this is the simple interest simple form. Okay, so very shortly and briefly, that this is the simple interest. Okay, so if you want to know lots of, then you see the book and wait for my next class. I will tell you that explanation. Okay, so now after knowing the simple interest little, we have to know the amount. Okay, amount. What is amount? Okay, see, amount is the sum of principal and interest earned during the given time. Okay, amount is the sum of the principal and interest earned during the given time. That means, suppose 1000 rupees you are given for 1 month at a rate of interest 10%. Okay, 10%. So in 1000 rupees, if you are taking a 10% interest, then 10% will 10% means 10%, 100, right? So 100 rupees you will be getting as a interest, right? So after 1 month, when you will take this money back to your hand, that time you will be getting how much? 1000 is your principal and 100 is your interest. So how much money you will be getting? What, 1100, right? So this 1100 will be the amount. Okay, this 1100 will be the amount. Understood? So amount definition, how I have told, amount is the sum of the principal and interest earned during the given time. Okay, okay guys. Okay, then see, then means this amount is equal to principal money plus simple interest, SI. Okay, where A is equal to amount, right? Amount, P is equal to principal, and SI means what? Simple interest. Simple interest. Okay guys, understood? That means from here directly, if you are going to find the amount, then we can write P1 plus R into T by 100. Okay, so suppose you are given 1000 rupees for 1 month in the rate of interest is 10%. Then how much money you will be getting after 1 month? Directly, if you are going to find the amount, then we can use this formula. Okay, we can find this way. Okay, then let's try one example for understanding. Okay, how to do by using this formula. Okay, how to do the sum by using this formula. Okay, that means we are going to learn about the applications of simple interest. Okay, so let's take one example. Given simple interest, you are given how much? 2880. Okay, so principal amount P is equal to how much given? 12,000. Okay, then rate of interest R is equal to what given? 8% per annum. Okay, and suppose we required to find the time. Time is not given us. Okay, see, this question what told us? This principal amount how much? 12,000, right? 12,000, and the rate of interest how much? 8%. Is it? So one person invested this 12,000 rupees per month interest. He was taken 8%. So after some years, after some particular time, he is getting that simple interest 2,880. 2,880, and here also we find to different amount. Okay, he is getting 2,880 only the interest, simple interest. Okay, only the simple interest he is getting 2,880, and that his principal amount means what money he was invested, 12,000, and the rate of interest how much given? 8%, right? So after how many month or how many year, how many day, how many hour, he will be getting this much interest on the principal amount 12,000. This one we have to find. Here see, see the time, right? This time in which unit we are going to count, it is not given, is it? So it may be the year also, this month also, this day also. So what will be deciding? You have to see here per P dot A is given, right? So this one what? Per annum. Okay, ANNUM. Okay, this means what? Per annum. That means this one yearly. Okay, per annum means what? Yearly. We will count this interest yearly. Okay, then is the time what money. Suppose you are going getting the time 2, then you need to do her 2 year. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so what given us? Given us that ISR is equal to 2,880, then principal amount is 12,000, and rate of interest R is equal to 8%, and time is given. Not given, we need to find that. Also the amount also we need to find. Okay, so how to find? See, right now we know that see, SI is equal to PRT by 100. This is the simple interest formula we have got. Is it? So from here you put the value. SI means what given us? 2,880, right? So you write here 2880 is equal to principal means how much given 12,000 into rate of interest means what given 8%, right? 8 into time is not given us, so divided by 100, is it? So now do see between two numbers there is equal sign, so you need to do cross multiple, right? So do it 12,000 into 8 into t is equal to 2880 into 100. Okay, that means from here if you are going to find the time means what will you get 2880 into 100 divided by 80. Okay, divided by 12,000 into 8. Okay, now do this sum. Okay, 0 and 0 cancel, this 0 and this 0 cancel, this one and this one will be also cancel. Then by 12 if we are going to cut this 288 we will be getting here 24, and by this 8 if we are going to cut this we will be getting 3. That means this time is given what we got 3. Okay, so now what will be deciding 3 year or 3 month or 3 days. Okay, that means we have to see, we know that this is given per annum, right? So per annum, that means it is year. Okay, so 3 year. Okay, that means this principal amount 12,000 if invested for 3 years at a rate of interest will be the 8%, then that simple interest how much you will be getting 2880 you will be getting. Okay, very good. Now let's take more one example for your easier. Okay, okay, example number 2 I will be taking. Okay, example number 2 also we are going to take. Okay, so suppose that simple interest SI is equal to take rupees 200. Okay, then suppose principal amount P is equal to how much we suppose you require to find. Okay, principal is suppose not given. Okay, then rate of interest amount given R is equal to suppose given 5% per annum. Okay, per annum means what? Yearly, right? Yearly. So and this time is given, time is given suppose how much? Time is given suppose 73 days. Now see, here is the one little problem is there. 5% per annum is given, that means from the per annum means we are understanding that it will be counted as yearly, but here is given days, right? 73 days, is it? So here the time is given day, and that amount how much amount invested we don't know, but we have to find, is it? So in simple interest he is getting 200 and rate of interest was how much? 5%, right? So 5% per annum, then yearly 5%, is it? So but time is given 73 days. So this one what to do? This one we have to convert into the year. Okay, that means 73 by 365. Why? Because in a year we believe that 365 days is there. Okay, in a year we believe 365 days is there, is it? So we will find this way. Okay, so now it will be what? Year. Okay, now see this principal amount we need to find, right? So SI is equal to, we know that SI is equal to PRT by 100. Okay, okay, so from here we are, if we are going to find this okay, put the value. SI means what given? 200, right? Is equal to principal amount what given? Not given us, is it? Into our rate of interest what given us? Rate of interest is what given us? 5% into time means what given us? 73 by 365. Yes, divided by 100. Okay. Now see what to do. 200 is equal to, okay. Now see, we will find a principal, right? So principal, if we are going to find, is equal to what will be? This one and this one will come down, will go up, right? So 200 into, now see, very easy. P into 5 into 73 by 365 is equal to 200 into 100. Is it? We did the cross multiple, right? So from here we are going to find that principal amount is equal to 200 into 100 divided by 5 into 73 by 365, right? Yes. So little we have to make it sense. So P is equal to 200 into 100 into, see, this one is 73 by 365, no? So 1, 2, 3 row is there. So we will multiply. If we multiply it, then this one will go up. Is it? 365 will go up. Then what's remaining? 500 into 73 will be remaining down. Is it? So now if we are going to find the principal from here, just cut it. 540 is 200, right? 540 is 200. That means 40 into 100 into 365 divided by 73. Is it? So how much answer will be what? 20,000. Is it? So now right, therefore the required principal will be how much? 20,000, right? Rupees 20,000. Okay, understood all of you guys? Okay, then let's go to start the exercise 10A. Okay. So students, this one is the exercise 10A and one number. Find the simple interest for the following, right? So here means that number A, you see, principal amount is given, the time is given 2 years and that rate 8% is given, right? So we will find the, whatever we need to find, this one we will find. Okay, so for your understanding, I'm going to do in copy. See, exercise 10A, find the simple interest for the following. Yes. Number A given, principal P is equal to rupees 4,000 for 2 years at 8% per annum. Okay, that means we are going to solve it. Okay, so what given us right now? Given principal P is equal to how much? Rupees 4,000. Yes. This time is given us how much? T is equal to what? 2 years. Right. Then rate of interest, how much given? Rate of interest R is equal to how much given? 8% per annum. Is it? We need to find this ASI, right? Simple interest ASI is equal to, simple interest ASI is equal to how much? We need to find. Okay, very good. Now see, Here see that's a time also the unit is given year and this rate of interest also r is given per annum. So we can find easily, is it? No need to worry about it. So here we write, we know that, what do we know? Simple interest formula you know, is it? Simple interest SI is equal to PRT by 100. Okay? According to your formula, you put the value. SI is equal to how much? Principal means how much? Rupees 4,000. Is it? 4,000 into rate of interest means how much? 8%. Right? 8 into time means how much? Time is given as 2. Right? 2 year. So answer will be by 100. Is it? So just you need to solve this one only. Okay? So 0, 0, 0 cancel, this 0 and this 0 cancel. Okay, that means simple interest SI is equal to how much? 40 into 8 into 2. Okay, that means simple interest SI is equal to 40 into 8 means how much? 8 for 32, right? So 320 into 2. That means SI is equal to how much? 640 rupees. 640. Is it? So the required simple interest. So the required simple interest SI is equal to how much? Rupees 640. Understood, guys? Okay, very good. Then go for next. Okay, number B. Okay, number B also I am going to do in front of you. You see and note down it. Okay. Then see B number, principal is equal to rupees 10,500 for 146 days, 146 days at 8.75% per annum. Okay, so such one examples already I solved. Is it? So this one I am going to do again one time. You see it, you will understand properly. Okay. So first of all, you write what is given. Given solution. Okay. Solution. Given principal amount P is equal to how much? Rupees 10,500. Right. Then rate of interest R is equal to how much? 8.75% per annum. Right. Per annum. Then time is given how much? 146 days. Now see that's rate of interest is given us per annum, that means yearly, and we are given the time is 146 days. That means this one we have to convert it into the year. So what will be 146 by 365 days. Is it? If we divide it, then we will be getting here what? Year. Okay, very simple. Now see, we know that SI is equal to how much? PRT by 100. So according to this formula, we will put the value and we will be getting the answer. Okay, then see. So according to the question, according to the formula, you put the value. SI is equal to how much? Rupees P, right? P means how much given what? 10,500 into R means what? Rate of interest is given 8.75, right? 8.75 into this time is given how much? 146 days. This means 146 by 365 days. Right? So 146 by 365. Okay, divided by 100. Is it? So plus SI is equal to 10,500 into 8.75 into 146. This 365 will come here, right? Down. Is it? So divide by 100 into 365. Okay. So this 0 and this 0 cancel. This 0 and this 0 cancel. Then how much remaining here? 105 into 8.75, right, into 146 by 365. So now you see 105 into 8.75 means how much getting? 918.75 into 146 by 365. That means if we multiply it to 146, then how much we will be getting? 137.5. If we divide it by 365, then how much? See, if we multiply it to 918.75 into 146, how much will be getting? 137.5 by 365. If we divide it, we will be getting here how much? 367.5. Okay, how much amount? Yes, 367.5. Hence, therefore, required SI, right? We need to find the SI, right? So required SI is equal to 367.5. Okay, understood, guys? Okay, very good. Thank you. See, number 6 also a little bit different from here. So I'm going to do this one also. Okay. So P is equal to how much given? Given, right? First, principal amount P is given as how much? Rupees 19,200. Yes. Then time is given how much? 11 months. Is it? So 11 months, and this rate of interest are is given how much? 6.5% per annum. Right? So ASI we are required to find. Right? Now see, this time is given 11 months, and that's rate of interest is given 6.5% per annum. Right? So per annum means what we can understand that this yearly, right? So this one we have to convert in the year. So 11 by 12, because we believe that within 1 year there is 12 months. So 11 by 12 year. Right? So now we know that same procedure. So we apply SI simple interest is equal to 19,200, right, into R means what? Rate of interest R means what? 6.5, is it? Into 11 by 12 divided by 100. Right? We know that SI is equal to PRT by 100. So according to this formula, we are putting this value, right? So simple, 19,200 into 6.5 by 11. Same way, 100 into this 12 will come down, right? So this 0 and this 0 and this 0 cancel. So what remaining here? 192 into 6.5 into 11 by 12. So if we multiply this one, what will be getting? Do you know? Can you multiply it? 192 into 6.5 into 11. So how much we will be getting? 13,728 divided by 12. So if we divide it by 12, okay, 137.28. If we divide by 12, then how much will be getting? 1,144. That means required SI simple interest is equal to rupees 1,144. Okay, then let's see the answer is correct or not. This one, see. See, exercise 10A, number C, it is 11.1144, right? 1,144. That means our answer is very correct. Okay. So students, when that unit will be there in days, this day also how to convert in the year, I taught you. And when the unit will be that in month, the time unit, Then this month, how to convert into the year, I taught you, right? So, and when that unit will be a year, in a year, how to solve this one also I taught you. Is it? So same three question I did. Now see, now this number D. Number D, given principal is 1000, time for 5 years, rate of interest is given 4% per annum, then simple interest will be how much? So I want to check your knowledge that you are really understand or not. So guys, this number you do yourself and let me know this answer how much. Okay, write in comment box. You give me your number, your answer. So by solving this one, how you got? You can solve or not? You this one you tell me. Okay. Put one comment with your answer. Okay. Principal amount is how much? 1000. Time is given how much? 5 years. Rate of interest is given how much? 4% per annum. So simple interest you need to find, right? So simple interest, same formula, same procedure you follow and find. Okay. Okay guys. Thank you all of you for today. Okay, then from next time I'm going to do the next. Okay. Thank you all of you.